having to build
which I really appreciated.
some.
This is quite rare to have memories.
Yes,
Afterwards,
that
we had
is
nice
a Lego,
long walk
a big
around
Lego,
Amsterdam.
but
I
not
see
that
Dutton
big. It's like
Museum.
I don't know how big is
I
this,
love
but
museums, but if you should go to a museum, I definitely go to
that it? Comment down below if there's more. Okay, so we're gonna build something like a big monster,
Just doesn't feel
but we have
like,
to eat
no, maybe
nerds
not. Just like, but it
right
just
now,
was,
cause
yeah, maybe you're
you
right.
know nerds are actually kinda yummy, but it has too much
I
sweet.
really enjoyed myself.
Eat it, but if you wanna eat one of the nerds, you should like comment down
After
below.
just like a day or two because we
So-
did have a lot of
So
fun.
here, I'll show you the nerds. Here's the nerds. So I
We
opened
were
it.
talking and
It
talking
says
and texting.
nerds, like
When he sat to
nerds
dinner,
from
he
school,
sat to
but not
picture,
with S, nerd.
use voice notes.
So we're just gonna make this star first, then we're gonna build.
You can be two different
First,
type
we're
of
gonna get
personality sometimes.
this
So you
block
can be a
and
battery
this
charger
block.
or a battery drainer.
And then we will take both of
And he was
Both of
definitely
these
battery charger.
green blocks. Then we get one of the smaller
Once I
ones
remember that
because you know they're actually so small. And then we put it like that, and then we make it big. So I'll make it something tall. Okay, so
A little bit of Prince emoji next to his name because
go like this.
sometimes
Okay.
and I always make a joke about this.
So over here, I have to do one hand because you know I had like 2 hands. I wish we had like 4 hands. So
I can't wait to see you. I love you in all my heart.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
there you go.
Simon
It's
was
already
made
much
a lot of
bigger, but
lessons.
we should need more
We
blocks.
talk and text every single
So-
day. The girl is
Oh my god, okay. Come here. Sorry, this was me today, tomorrow, yesterday. We need more nerds who are getting energy.
which is amazing.
Just
And then
and then do flour. We put that. Then we need some.
it's just the best feelings, you know, when you have someone and both are on the same
Well,
wavelength.
I think we cannot make it.
Time for apartment number 2. Living
Okay,
American
so we're watching this
Washington,
video.
Eastern Style.
Then, if you're watching one of these videos, I would like to, because I'm already
And
taking
then you
that.
have this awesome kitchen.
And then we should like put this like this, and like
And here is the bedroom.
right over
Simon
here.
tells me that the
Okay,
budget
it's almost
is
like good enough. So
$15,000 per
we
month.
need a roof.
Third apartment. So I'm going
So,
all around in these
boom.
amazing apartments, and sometimes
And
I have Simon with me on FaceTime,
That's good, but we need
which
more
is a
blocks.
really nice way
Okay,
to
we're not
connect
yet
with
done.
him.
Don't
I wasn't
hate
there.
this
We
video
can
because
do it
you're gonna
together.
watch till the
The
end.
view
It's
is
done.
out to the
So,
Piazza Concord.
So you're wondering, we have to make it tall, but we can't because there's like already 3 blocks. Like look, and then we should put the blue and another blue, and that's how you make it tall. So here, okay, here like this. We like to do like this. So I'm not using the phone stem. I'm using my feet. Is it done? Okay. Comment down below if you see something in the back. If it's already done. Okay, so don't take this video, okay?
Tonight,
Please, please don't take this. Okay, so
Simon right
put
here,
it
Kurdish,
like
and
this.
what the fuck?
Okay, like this video. Okay, so I think there's no blocks. So we're just gonna put it like that. This like this. Okay.
Says that they were going after me.
So, where do I put this blue one? Comment down below. I think I have to cover it. Maybe the inside is too dark.
I didn't know what to do.
I'll put the camera there later. So,
We're being taken
yeah.
care of and you just need to go to sleep.
Yeah. One problem is things got saved. Okay. Then we put this over here. Then we put the cover like this. And there you go. That's the biggest one. So, where's my baby? Okay. So here my little baby. Okay. Okay, we got this.
He was just wondering if he could use my cards for some time.
Stop,
It would
stop.
just help him a lot.
Okay.
Gidap with the airplane.
Okay. Can we be done with this? There you go.
Am I gonna
And now we put the monster pink here. Okay, so I just put the egg pink over here.
especially when Benson
Okay,
security
And then we put back the green one. And then we put back this. I think I didn't remember.
explain the money if I
I
got
think it was a
questions about it.
Oh, okay, that's just the one.
Yeah, security. Yun sa mga.
I think it was this. I think I have to get off this.
My biggest issue
And
was
I
being
put
apart from him.
out this. And I get the green one
He
over
was
here.
being
Then
grateful.
I put that like that.
Told that
And
everything he's
then
doing is
I
keeping
do it
him
like this.
safe.
I know it's fell. So,
It's only siya that.
Scam lagi sa
Within
gipainlab ba.
hours, the security team set up
okay, there you go.
Operan
Now
niya mumubuin sa
it's a
kanya.
monster.
He deletes his
So, if you want to do more Lego things, like and subscribe. So,
account private. Take it all away.
like and subscribe for this video if you want to let me do another Lego movie tomorrow.
What the fuck is going on?
So, if you can sleep tomorrow and then you go watch my YouTube channel named Profan Jr. And then you can watch this another Lego movie. And then like and subscribe. If you do, I will give you more Legos. Bye!
Peter is awesome.